Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to extract or convert a video file into an audio file using Python's moviepy editor library. To do this, first open command prompt. Enter this code to install the moviepy library. moviepy. Make sure your Python is in the path. So it will take some time for you to install. So wait. Now I am opening Python's IDLE. First, save the file. Here I am saving it as audio extractor. The first line is import moviepy.editor as MP. Here I am importing moviepy editor class as MP for typing purposes. Video equal to mp.video file clip. In this course you have to provide the location of the video. I am browsing the location. User downloads. Tap here and copy the address, paste it here. Here I am using / to avoid the Unicode error. Entering the video file name .mp4. Next, audio equal to video.audio. This line will extract the audio from that video and save it in this audio. To save the audio, you have to execute this command: audio.write_audio file. Save it in your preferred location. I am saving in this location. Copy. .mp3. Save the file. Now running. It will take some time to convert. Now it's converting the file from video to audio. Now it's done. You can see here moviepy equal to 10. Close it, and we can check the file. Here is the location I given. Here you can see that memory is mp3 file. I am playing it. Okay, here you can also run the program in CMD. Follow this. Here note the file name audio extractor.py. Now close it. Open CMD. What you have to do is Python audio extractor. Hit enter.